this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2013 Suzuki Swift, stock number 6794. This ran from the first 2013 to the third 2017. It is a K14 BS 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is a K14B 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 15-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left front and left rear door, no dents. Left rear 15-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right rear 15-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right rear door, one dent. Right front door, no dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front guard. Right front headlight. Right front 15-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right front door guard. Right front master switch. Center console. Manual gear shifter. Head AC controls. Factory single stack CD player stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.